Good morning, Anderson All Stars. This is Mrs. Armstrong. I have a message for you all to share that will hopefully carry you through the next couple of weeks. I hope that you all have had a fantastic weekend. Today is August 29th, 2022. Getting to know the big all-stars. So if you have not noticed by now, around our building, each adult, not just classroom teachers, but every adult who works here should have a poster hanging up outside of their area that they most frequently use. And it should have a picture, whether it's a photograph or a picture that they drew. We have some pretty interesting ones. And then it says, read all about us. And if you take some time to read the descriptions on the All About Us posters, you will be able to find out some interesting and cool facts about the adults, the big all-stars that work in our building. There are things that I did not know about a lot of our big all-stars, so I hope that you learn something new about maybe your classroom teacher, or maybe a teacher that you had last year, or just an adult in the building that you've known for years and you want to get to know better. So look around our building when you're in the hallways and common areas and check out some new facts about our big all-stars. Miss Sudbrink, one of our school counselors around our building, has put up some posters to help us just through times where we may need some regulation strategies, ways to stay calm. There are some really cool sports posters close to the gym. But all of this beautiful work has been put up by Miss Sudbrink, and it's not just there to look pretty, it's also to help us. So when you see these posters, we have some interactive breathing posters that has some box breathing, triangle breathing, lazy, 8 breathing, star breathing. So these are ways to help regulate us, ways that we can express our emotions. So the names of different emotions: happy, worried, scared, silly, annoyed. So all of our social emotional learning needs, Miss Sudbrink has put different items up, posters up around the building to help us process through some of those things. So take a peek and pay attention when you are in those common areas. Okay, All Stars, some common area procedures. So for the most part, we've been doing amazing in the hallways, walking at a level 0, making sure that we're using walking, safe feet, and safe hands. There are a couple of things that I've noticed this week that I know that we will do better on. Taking a peek in some of the restrooms. We had some friends who kind of looks like they had a little party in the restroom. Please make sure that all toilet paper makes it into the toilet, all paper towels after we dry our hands. I'm appreciative of everyone of washing your hands with soap and water. Please make sure that all trash gets into the trash cans. If you notice, outside of the 2nd and 3rd grade and 4th grade restrooms, we have trash cans outside the boys' restroom and the girls' restroom. That is for a reason, so that we don't have paper towels on the floor. So after you wash your hands with soap and water, rinse them off, please make sure that paper towels make it into the trash cans and not on the floor, okay? I know that you all are going to do fantastic with this. And in our hallways, Miss Pierce has been amazing. She put down some colorful tape, and it's not there just to look pretty. There is a purpose. So I know that you all have noticed, and I've seen your teachers practicing with you. The tape signifies areas that we need to be walking on. So the lines on each side of the hallway show us where our feet need to be 2 squares away from the wall, and then we have the circles on the floor, and those are our stopping points. Our stopping points throughout the hallway, and you also will notice the stop signs on the wall, which are also stopping points. We also have, that is my son Ivan, he snuck in the picture, but we also have a lost and found wall that is in our building. If you didn't know what these hooks were, we don't have very many items so far, which is a great thing. I hope it doesn't get too full this year. If there are any items that are left outside on the playground or in the hallways or in the cafeteria, and we can't find the owner, we will place them on this lost and found wall. And at some point during the day, every single grade level should pass by this, because this wall is on the way to our gym, and every class has gym. So whenever you're walking past this area, just take a quick peek. Your parents, your adults, your guardians spend their hard-earned money to make sure that you have jackets and coats and lunch pails and hats and gloves as it gets colder, to make sure that you stay safe and warm. So please make sure that you take a peek, and any items that belong to you, you can take them off and get them to your classroom. One last announcement, September 5th and 6th. So this week will be a full week, today, Monday, August 29th, to this Friday, which I believe is September 2nd. But next week, Monday and Tuesday, you will not have school. So students and staff will be out for Labor Day on next Monday, which is September 5th. But teachers have a day of teacher school on Tuesday where they will be having professional development. So on Tuesday, the teachers come, but the students do not. So you will get to enjoy a 4-day weekend. You will be out of school Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. That is all the announcements I have today. All-Stars, have a fantastic day. You have made your teachers and the adults in this building proud this last 2 weeks, and I know that this third week of school will be the same. Nothing short of amazing. I will see you around, All-Stars.